Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your NBC3 forecast, and as we take a look ahead, here's what to expect fastcast-wise. It looks like our worst part of the day is going to be this morning. Why? Because we've had a lot of steady snow this morning, and we've had an additional batch of snow during the pre-dawn hours that have been rather moderate to heavy. With temperatures in the teens, salt hasn't been working as well. But because the snow intensity should be not as strong, it should be in the lighter category once we get past 7, 8 o'clock this morning. For the rest of the day, new accumulations are going to probably be limited to an additional 1 to 2, 3 inches of snow, 1 to 3 inches. And with a high of 22, I know it's still below normal by a lot. At least the roads should become better for the afternoon commute, and further snow this evening should be a lot less than even what we're seeing during the daytime hours. So just to recap, we had about an inch or 2 of snow during the 4 to 7 a.m. time period we've been on the air with NBC3 today in central New York. We'll probably get another inch or 2 between 7 a.m. and noon, and maybe another coating to an inch during the afternoon and evening. There's that 1 to 3, and then that's it. Okay, then we get a break. Thank goodness, because this month has been amazing. Not even counting the snow since midnight. We have already had more snow in February during the first 8 days of the month than we did the whole last month with 31 days in January. Yeah. Oh, and I'm not done yet. Arctic assault. Now, we've had plenty of cold air. January was a very well below normal temperature month. We had 9 days where the temperature was sub-zero in the month of January for Syracuse. Oh, we'll add to that. We're likely to have at least 2 or maybe 3 days of sub-zero lows. We're probably going to have wicked wind chills because we're going to have tough winds and temps. Despite 9 below zero lows, we have yet to have had 1 day where the high failed to crack double digits, meaning we've had highs of 10 or higher during the whole season. I wonder about that coming up for this next batch. I have a feeling we're not going to make it at least 1 or 2 days. There's still some snow around midday, but tapering off to flurries afterwards. Highs 20 to 25. Overnight cloudy with a bit of freezing drizzle or flurries. New snow tonight, a coating to an inch, and that should be about it. Still lots of clouds. Now, we've been updating this map all morning long. From 7 a.m. onward, new snow from 7 a.m. onward is going to be 1 to 3 inches for most of central New York, and that'll call it a day. Best chances of maybe getting the highest amounts, like a 3, would be in the hills south of Syracuse. Tomorrow, a lot of cloud cover, but notice a few holes, which is trying to infer that we'll try to give you some breaks of sun on Tuesday. Then we get clearing Tuesday night, and that should lead to a good chunk of sun on Wednesday until the very end of the day where clouds re-increase. Total sunshine today, forget it. None. Probably 0. 15% breaks of sun Tuesday. I think we'll get 50% sun, maybe even more on Wednesday. Well, it's been snowing everywhere. The only place that may not get any snow is the far north country, which is why I have 50 up there, because half the north country, well, the southern half of the north country, if that makes sense to you, it will snow. But not in the north country like towards the international border. You can see the rest of the snowfall here. Well, that bitter blast is also going to be associated with some flurries and squalls. Just take a look at Thursday night, 1 below, into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That is going to be rough for this weekend. Find more on our website, cnycentral.com.